Okay. Now I am covering topic velocity time graph. Okay. When you were studying chapter motion in class 9th, graph was also very, very important topic. Okay. And in graph, two terms was there, area and slope. Area under graph and slope of graph. Okay. So you should know two things. Area of velocity time graph gives displacement. Okay. Slope of velocity time graphs gives acceleration. Okay. These two very basic point required for velocity time graph. Okay. See, I'm explaining this with the example. Area. This is velocity time graph. This is time. This is velocity. Okay. This is velocity time graph. Velocity is increased from 0 to in 5 seconds. It is increased to 10 meter per second, suppose. And you have been asked what is displacement in 5 seconds and what is acceleration of motion. Because area will tell displacement and slope will tell acceleration. See, first one I will clear. I am going to explain first one. See, area. This is the area. So, area of triangle is half base into height. 25 meters. So, displacement is 25 meters. Displacement in that time is 0 to 5 seconds, 25 meters. Slope. Slope is height by base. Height is 10 and base is 5. Okay. 2 meter per second square acceleration. This is the basic concept associated with area and slope. Slope is equal to that triangle you have formed. Okay. Height of that triangle by base of that triangle. Okay. Now few points I am adding. Suppose velocity time graph is like this. This is velocity time graph. Some part is above time axis, some part is below time axis. Okay. If this area is 20 unit and this area is also 20 unit. Okay. 20 unit, 20 unit. Okay. What is displacement? Area under graph. 20 plus 20, if you have written like this, 40 unit. 40 unit is 40 meter. Displacement is expressed in meter. Displacement in 40 meter. So this will be wrong. Because the concept associated with area is that area above time axis is taken as positive, area below time axis is taken as negative. So correct solution is displacement equals upper one plus 20 plus lower one minus 20 and it will become, there is no displacement. Okay. It is like this, 20 meter. Path has, that particle has traveled 20 meter like this in one direction because it is positive. 20 meter negative means it has returned to opposite, in opposite sense. Positive means one direction, negative means another opposite direction. So this is 20 meter, this is 20 meter. 20, 20 cancel out. Displacement is 0. But what is distance? Distance is 20 plus 20. That is 40 meter. This is 40 meter. Okay. This is the concept associated with area. Now I am explaining concept associated with slope. You have to practice from your 9th book, okay, or any standard book, or from net you can download questions and practice at least 10 to 20 questions regarding these topics. Okay. Slope. I am drawing few graphs. This is velocity time. This is velocity time. 5 seconds, 10, 10, 12. Okay, velocity time is like this. You have to find acceleration everywhere. So how will you write? Slope is height by base and slope is acceleration. So you have to find out slope. For first part, I have already calculated 0 to 5, 0 to 10. So first part 0 to 5 second, acceleration is 2 meter per second square. Okay. For 5 to 10 seconds, okay, this line has height this, base this. But what about this line? This line has 0 height. Line is like this. If line would have been like this, there will be some height. Like this, there will be some height. But it is parallel to time. So height is 0. Height I am taking 0. So height is 0, base is there. So slope is 0. For this line, slope is 0. And for this line, 10 to 20, 10 to 12. Okay, height is 10, base is 2. But again, I will take minus sign because velocity is decreasing. When velocity is decreasing, acceleration is negative. Okay, this is the point. You find out these type of questions and practice it before starting class 12th, class 11th.